Hey guys, so I bought a new iPhone, the iPhone X or iPhone 10, whatever they want to call it. And today I want to check the new feature, the Face ID. And I want to see if my rabbit, Beanie the bunny, if he can unlock the phone with his face. Okay, so let's check it out. Get started. Position your face in the frame. Okay, Beanie, you just need to smile. Oh my god, it's working. Okay, again. Here. You see the green bars? It means that it recognizes his face. Wait, completed. First Face ID scan complete. Okay, continue. Second time, okay, second time. I guess we have to do it second time. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. Up and down. Up. Wow, okay, I can't believe it's actually working. Okay, we're almost there, look, almost there, Benny, wait, wait, look again, almost there, oh my god, wait, oh my god, look, it's working, look. Face ID is now set up, we did it. Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, so now I can't unlock the phone with my face locked, but I have a rabbit who can unlock my phone for me. He's going to be the first rabbit to unlock the iPhone X. So, okay, so look at the camera. Wait, what was it with the ears up, down? Okay, second. Wait, it doesn't work. Wait, let me check something. Oh wait, I cannot knock it. Oh wait, what? Wait, how do I unlock it? Wait, it's not funny. Stop. Come. Stop filming. It doesn't work. My phone is locked. I can't unlock it. Vinny? What the f does it work? Oh no! Wait. Swipe to unlock. What? How do you... Wait, it's not funny. Oh my god! Oh no, I can't unlock the phone. Wait, I can't even restart it. What the f. So my phone is locked. I can't unlock the phone. I can't even restart it for some reason. Don't try to lock your phone with your rabbit face. Yeah, don't try it at home.